Hey Horsey's, how you doing? Hey everybody, Tim here at Doc's Autos, and we've got some exciting updates for you. Kind of bright and sunny out here and covered in snow, so that's why I'm all squinty. But the important part is you're looking at what will be our future shop. And of course, space to put these guys' hay and trailer. So what we're looking at here is the future home of our 50 by 80 building. Half of it's going to be split right here where you see our hydrant. This is going to be heated shop down the road, and this will be cold storage. Hay for the horses, the horse trailer, of course, the camper, other projects, tractor, stuff like that. So we've got a pink post here, one down there, one to the right of the pickup, and then up here. So that's our rough perimeter. And it'll be great to have a place to put everything inside. No more dealing with wet trailers, mice in trailers, car covers. Pretty much where the Chevy's sitting now, tipped at an angle, we were going to have a 10,000 pound 2-post bed pack lift. It'd be great if they would send us one for the channel. I don't see that happening though with our large amount of people that haven't subscribed yet. Over here, gonna have workspace, kind of a workbench along here, and eventually a loft, so we can have more space, storage above. On the back wall, we'll have things like the air compressor, welder, just a big open space up in this area to just to work on stuff as it comes in and out. Park a car in here to thaw out, trailer, whatever. And then kind of up in this area here where I'm standing, we're going to have a person door to walk in, and we'll have probably a 10 by 10 tack room area. So all of our saddles and horse stuff goes in there. And again, storage above there for other stuff. So really it's going to be a great improvement for just for my family, for keeping stuff indoors out of the weather, and B, so we have better space to work than having to shuffle cars in and out of the garage every time I've got something to work on. So that'll be an exciting thing this summer. And unlike last year's project of doing all this dirt work when our excavators were out, I somehow lost all of the pictures from time-lapse of the excavation work, all the grading and everything that they did. So that kind of ticks me off. This time I will do a better job of keeping my files around so I don't mistakenly delete them. And you know, these guys will definitely get front row seat to watch all the action this summer. We got Izzy over here, we got Socks here up in the front, and we got Rem the brown guy in the back. So all in all, we'll kick this off later this spring once the weather is less angry. We're going to end up doing a full perimeter foundation around it. It's going to be a steel building. Great Western Buildings out of Colorado. It's going to be working on that for us, and we're going to do that over the standard pole buildings, just so we don't have those roof trusses in the way. We have full height ceilings, so we can get that car lift in there. We can put up a hay loft, and just we're not encumbered by roof trusses and stuff like that. So check for that later this year. And of course, if you like seeing us build stuff, or other people build stuff, on us working on cars, go ahead and hit like and subscribe below. Tell us you like us, tell me you like me, or like and subscribe and just make fun of me. So that's all for now. Have a good day, and talk to you soon.